Alright, what is going on today? So I'm gonna kill the birds at my house first, and then I actually have to go do some court stuff today for a ticket back in August for a headlight. It's gonna be dumb. But afterwards, I'm gonna go over to David's shop, see what he's can't talk. I'm gonna go to David's shop, see what he's doing, and then hopefully be able to do my coilovers today. I don't know what his plan is. Last night they were talking about maybe going do something, and if he leaves, I might ask him if I can stay at the shop and get started on my coilovers, just because I really want to get these done. Blowing suspension isn't fun, I'll tell you that right now. It's not. It's starting to suck more after I put those knuckles in, because I just rub in the front. I can turn, and because I literally have no suspension besides my springs, every time I turn it just rubs, even with the spacers. So you definitely need to get that fixed. So right now I'm gonna go take care of life stuff and then head over to David's shop. Here at David's shop. David, look what I got you.
Oh, dope. Oh shit!
I picked that up at Vegas.
That's dope. Yeah. What is that, anyways?
It's a Goku skateboard.
Dope.
But they had them like just hanging. They had a bunch of like skateboards.
Hang that up on the wall or something.
Yeah, that's what they were made. I mean, you could put wheels on them, but yeah. This is what I got you from Vegas, bud.
Dope.
It was either this or like a little like statue, like a little Goku statue. I was like, I think he might like the board. I don't know. Yeah. All right, so they're finishing up the Z there. You can kind of see it behind me. I got my camera, my gimbal, which is kind of weird. It's kind of awkward to use to vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out the coilovers, start getting those unboxed, and hopefully we can get the car in today. And David got stuff for the Skyline. So we have a lot of stuff going on this afternoon. Hey, you think my car is drivable?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Sure.
Right now, let's just drop it. We're good. Let's go. All right, so I haven't been filming a whole lot. We've been kind of getting the final steps on. David is doing his own thing now, so it's been me and Eddie doing the ending stuff of this. But I have them on. They actually cleared the knuckle. There's no modifying needed for that, which is cool. And it's in there, they're set. We're gonna actually lower the front about another ½ an inch. We have a little bit more room. So we're gonna do that right now. What we're doing in the rear is the current springs that came with the coilovers are, as you can see, fully compressed even when it's up in the air. And we need to make our adjustments to the rear. We're actually going to replace the springs in the back with the H&R springs that I have, just because their spring rate is better than the spring rate of the springs that came with the coilover. And then after that, we'll go take her for a test drive and see how she does. Oh, BMW is looking good. Wow, actually it's way better than what I thought. It's actually low, but it doesn't look like blown. Like, look at that. It doesn't move. It's super stiff. This moves in the back with the springs, like, oh, but that feels right. That feels so right. I'm stoked about this. All right, David moved his car. I'm gonna pull this out, go on a little test drive, and then, yeah, see how she rides now. I'm actually really excited about it. David, you're my cameraman now. Oh my God, it's already a huge fucking mess.
No shit. It's like a whole new car, right?
I don't even feel like, oh my God, dude, it doesn't bounce. It's just like, yeah, baby. Oh, it just drops. Oh, it feels so good. ass hole right here.
So much better, right?
Dude, it doesn't catch understeer like it was doing. Oh my god!
Alright, to the store.
Oh my god. Dude, it just turns now?
Yeah, it turns way better. go middle lane, middle lane.
Oh, middle lane? Oh, we're going to 7-Eleven.
Yeah, 7-Eleven.
Woo! Woo! Get the fuck out of my way! Whee! Oh my god, grip! Yes! Yes, it feels so good!
I told you it was gonna be
Holy
night difference.
shit! Dude, my car would start catching understeer at that speed. Like, it would
Not even too stiff.
It's not that bad too. It feels great. Like, oh, it doesn't wobble. Oh my god! I'm so happy.
AJ, how do you feel?
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. That's so awesome. I'm taking a handicap spot. Oh no, I'm not. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Woo! I forgot. New suspension. I don't have to turn that hard.
No, you're down. You're down.
Dude, that's... All right, let's go get drinks. All right, so I'm back now at the shop with David's car. And David, he's somewhere over there. As you can see from my excitement, I am super stoked. The coils are actually not that bad. They feel a lot better than what I was expecting. And David was expecting too. And I'm not... So I'm stoked on those. They feel great. Now David and I are gonna do something. I can see you in the... So I'm gonna end this video here tonight. Nice.
Fuck, my donut!
I'll see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Send me donuts.
And send David donuts. I'll see you guys all later. Okay, bye.